Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Raghavendra Mishra and I welcome you all. In this video, we will be fixing the org.openqa.selenium.remote.http.WebSocket listener on error. There is a warning, connection reset, and the exception called SocketException, connection reset. Alright, so we will know the root cause of this issue and we will fix it. So this is my Cucumber test runner class, and wherein I have written this is the BDD framework, Cucumber framework, and I have written the feature file and the step definition accordingly. So as in when I run this, it will look out for the feature and the respective step definition. So let me run it and see if I'm getting that WebSocket error or not. See, I have come across this WebSocket listener on error issue. Right now it is quite annoying, as in all the tests are completed, but since you are seeing then user navigator to the home page. So if I have to go to this page factory, and you may see that everything is executed fine, and when we come or the control comes to this part, closing the browser, okay, this is occurred during this method execution. Okay, so the root cause for this error is the socket is not closed properly. WebSocket is still open, and as in when you are executing this this flow, you are executing this class step definition, since it won't get the socket as such when you are closing it. So instead of this, what we can do, we can try driver.quit instead. Okay, so when we use quit, it will make sure that the driver is quit properly. All right, so now let me run it again to see if this error is gone or not. See, this error is not there. Okay, so let me tell you, if you use this driver.close again, you may not see this error. For the first time execution. Okay, this issue by the way is intermittent. This may happen if you are using driver.close instead of driver.quit. Okay, you can see, but even if you don't see, then issue is basically can be fixed with driver.quit. Okay, all right, now as I said, what you have to do, you have to use driver.quit as in when you see this WebSocket listener on error. Okay, let me run it again and see if it is. We are just trying to double check. Cool. So now you are getting a proper, the Gherkin syntax, your execution is proper, and you are not seeing that WebSocket a listener on error, which was very annoying error, right, on the console. And you can also see your test output here. If you refresh, you will get your index, or you have to, since we are generating HTML report.html, so you should see if the test execution was also fine. See, last one was 48 seconds ago. So we are able to execute all the tests, and we are able to close the browser as well. Okay, all right, then that's it from this video, and I hope you have liked the explanation and learned from this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends, and also share the feedback in comment section, and I will see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. and thanks for watching.